Welcome to Magnetic Automation. Today's topic is how to install Apache Tomcat. So we are going to see how to install Apache Tomcat into your system. Before that, you should know what is Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat is server for hosting Java-based application, that is WAR file, ER file. Okay. So using Apache Tomcat, you can host Java-based web applications. Okay. But for this, there is some prerequisite. Your system should know what is Java. Means your system must have JDK installed. How will you know that whether your system is having JDK or not? You can open command prompt and you can fire a command as what Java space hyphen version. And if it is showing the version, that means your system is having Java. And you can see my Java version is Java 11. Okay. So without wasting time, let's see how to install Apache Tomcat. Now I will go to the Google and look for Apache Tomcat. Download. The very first link I'm going to use, you can see Apache Tomcat 9, 10 and 11. So you can use anyone, but I'm going to use Apache Tomcat 9. If I click on the 9, I will go little down. I will be getting this zip file. Zip file can be run in any system. So I will just click on this. You can see after clicking, it is being downloaded. It is something 11.7 MB. Let it get downloaded. You can see downloading is completed. I can move to the download folder. Okay. I will copy this to the desktop cell jars and I will paste here. And after pasting, you need to do unzipping. I will just extract here. See, Apache Tomcat is here. I will go inside. You can directly start this. For starting, you can go inside bin. And inside bin, you will find startup batch file. This batch file is for Windows and this sh file is for Linux and Mac. So I will double click on this startup. It should start Apache Tomcat on 8080 default port. You can see it is showing 8080. So my server is started. How will I get to know whether it's working or not? My server is local, so I can use here local host. And what is my port number for Apache Tomcat? 8080. See, it's working now. So Apache Tomcat 9.0.91 is successfully installed. So in next video, we'll see how to host the application into Apache Tomcat. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.